YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Shoonnee, and today I thought I'd just bring you moisturization routine, how I keep my hair moisturized throughout the week until wash day. So yesterday was wash day. I deep conditioned my hair and I stretched it out with elastic bands and just let it dry. I did put some amla oil in hair and that's about it really. And then I told you I just did, because by the time I finished washing my hair and deep conditioning it was like 11 o'clock at night and I was like, I'm not for it today. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna spray my hair with some water. My conditioner. So nice. As soon as I put it in my hair, I just, can you see the shine already coming through? Just feels so nice. But when I was using it last week and my friend came round, I said, oh, smell my hair, I just washed it, and he's like, smells like pencil shaving sharpenings. And I was like, are you for real? The more and more I use it, since he said that, is the more and more I can smell pencil sharpen. Like, yeah, like that piney sort of, I can't find my proper rat tail comb, and I'm not a big fan of plastic rat tail combs, so my partings are going to be a little bit shabby, but this is how I usually would do my hair. So I never get to show you guys, either I'm doing the school run or something, but yeah. And I can't find my brush. I mean, yeah, anytime I'm trying to do a video, this always happens. I lose this, I misplaced that, I left this hair, I left that there. It is what it is. So the products I'm using, because is this, and then my little itty bitty bit of Jebba mixed with shea butter. I mean, that's all I've got. And my Eco Styler gel. Sometimes I put this in my end just to make my flat twist a little bit flatter and not so puffy. And also when I put like my satin cap down on it, it really flattens them out. So I always start off with a side parting, and probably after this clip I'll just forward right through it, because this is going to take me about 20 minutes, half an hour. I'm going to watch some YouTube. So yeah. I just snapped my freaking comb, and I swear. Moisturize my hair, and I will leave it like this for 4 to 5 days, and then on the 6th day I wear my hair out. The 7th day I wash, deep condition, and start the whole process again. So if you do see my hair mostly under a scarf, it's because it's like this, and I'm really trying to keep my hands out of my hair, which has been helping. Loving my mix, but as you can see, like in my previous video, I cannot get my hands on any Jebba, and since I did that video it's been like a week, and I still cannot get my hands on it, not online, not in the shop. I'm just like, no, because like the back of my hair is starting to break again. I was seeing such great results using the gel bar and the Vicks as well with like the hot towel method. I've seen great results, but then as I'm seeing like I haven't got the product, I'm not paying too much mind at the back of my hair, and Christmas was pretty stressful, and I found maybe that's why the back of my hair, like right at the bottom at the nape, really broke off. But the hair itself is soft, it's manageable. I'm gonna keep going with my journey, and I just want to show you my moisturization routine, because I showed you loads of like my deep conditioners, but I never really show you like moisturizing, how I keep my hair for the week. So this is how I keep my hair usually for the week, and I'd wrap it up with a satin bonnet and a silk and a scarf and go about my day to day. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Please press that notification bell so you know when I upload again, and please leave a comment down below. Bye.